Hey, guess what day it is now? Ford Tremor F-150 day, rollback day. Now, I hope we got the right one. We're gonna find out here in a moment if I got the right one or not. So watch as I show you how to put on a roll-up tonneau cover, Ford product. I mean, it's another company's product, but Ford puts their name on it. So let's see how it goes here. All right, pretty good packaging, right? Right one, right here. Here's the right reel. If I can get it out of one hand, right? I don't think I can. Or can I? I did. Do that. Right side. Which will go like, that can't be right. It'll be left. Well, I guess it's right. It was up front, so this is just backwards. All right, this is the left rail, right rail, instructions. Actual roll up the jiggy. So let's get her out of here, but put the rails on first. And get the right tools to do the job, right? So throw that up there. Hope we can get this thing banged out. Zippity doo doo da da, right? All right, here's the instructions. Look, 2015. What? It's a 2021. You tell me it's same bed since 2015? Probably. All right, here's all the little fancy dancy parts. That, this, that. And here we go on our adventure. Okay, front of the bed. I'm gonna use this rubber stripping right here. Right. There you go. Do that first. Then we're gonna put in our secure things here. So pretty straightforward. Cool. Now we do know the first thing we got to do is get the lazy man's step in order. So I can get out of this back of the bed of this truck, right? We love that. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to do this little bead, this little seal here across the front of the bed. So no water can get kicked in, even though they kind of put some interesting here. Look at that, some sound deadening material. Good idea. All right. All right. See there? Now you go closest to the cab. There you go. All right. Look at my Milwaukee tool here. A little worn out, isn't it? Here we go. 9/16 inch socket. You space this out. You actually go down here. If you look, I spaced them out already over here. See that? We do the same thing over here. All right, first thing you do, loosen these up. These little bad boys grab up underneath here like that. And you got that rail, and then it grabs it. All right, see how I have this rail here? It literally sits up top of this right here. And make sure this little bump pad here, make sure you get this thing all the way up against the bed. Then make sure you get all this parallel. Then you start putting your little brackets on. Right, there's number one. Hook it about halfway down, same thing, and halfway down, about down there, and there you go. Make sure it stays up against the rail. All right, there we go. Left rail's on. Now the right rail. I don't know. I'm concerned right here. Look at this here. I think I have to raise this up back here because this here is gonna hit it. This is interesting. And I got electronic thing here, so here we go. Yikes. Wow. How about that? Not too shabby. But it's interesting how it's kind of raised up like that. So what if I get going on there? Don't know. All right, the fun part, switch up to a 1/2-inch socket here. Here's your straps to hold this thing secure when you're going down the road. So we'll evaluate that at the last of the project. By the time I get out of this bag, that'll be fun. Gotta put my step back up too, don't I? Gotta have the step, right? Do that. And there you go. All right. Now the key is to put this onto here without double working yourself. This is actually at the tailgate. This releases the roll-up cover. So how we can do this, right? Right. All right. So what you do, you clip in your tailgate area first, and then you can roll this forward. Okay. And then you work from the front, and you can unclip this in the back. I'll show you. Now, one thing you learn over the years, try to keep your work area clean. So you get all your debris out of the bed of the truck. Try to keep your tools in order. And now, we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna put in our bolts. Where is it? Right there it is. Okay, we'll go up here. And we're gonna slide these in here like this. Okay, they're going right there. Look at that. Get it in there, a little tight. Get it. Next side, same thing. All right, now what we do, we flip this into here. Let's see if I get the other one right over there real quick. All right, see there? Now, question here is, did I put my little rubber, did I go too far up on my rubber mount? So, debatable. Let's see here. Over there, let's see. All right, I just added another section, see that? How about that idea? On both sides. See how it does now. So here, see that? There you go. See, cool, I like it. Right now, before I tighten down the front, I wanna make sure that when the tailgate closes, this is pretty close, because sometimes you have to move this back. You can pull and push this forward before you tighten it down. All these screws and nuts, so get all that out of the way. Now you wanna make sure that each side is lined up correctly. Otherwise this thing's sideways, and it'll bind on you, and these little plastic things break. Ask me how I know all this. This isn't the first time I've done this, so this could probably go up a little bit. So, there you go. Now we're gonna go up inside here and work. Give them a little floodlight. Always nice to have the extra tools. See that? Look at there, huh? Pretty cool, right? Yeah, we're making progress, I think. All right. Duh, you have 2 washers, 2 rubber ones, you have two nuts. So I just did this one over here. And don't over tighten it, just nice and snug. See the forward? I like that. So let's knock these down. And don't over tighten them, just nice and snug. All right, let's see if I had success. I can't believe it does that, but whatever. Let's see here. Does it tighten up correctly? There you go. Pretty good. Yeah, I like it. I think that's about right. Yep. Cool. See if she releases. Yeah, it's a little tight. You can see it's pretty taut. Let's try it again. Cool. I like it. Yeah, pretty tight, but I think it'll loosen up over time. Now, the real deal is, did I do it right? Let's see if this thing releases correctly with this little, pull this thing down. So does she? Yeah, she's really tight. So a little trick that I've learned is, I don't know, have I? You start hearing a bind, stop. That means you didn't do it right. These little plastic tabs, they will break. So far, so good. Try to keep it even. I'm doing one hand, so not too bad, right? Good. You got this really good. Awesome. There's your forward look. Cool. Now, I'm going to put in my straps. What do I do with them? There they are. These are what hold. Hey, give me a 9/16" socket out of my. There you go. Third drawer down. Third drawer down in the back. There you go. All right, there it is. So you just put another one and latch it in up here. Adjust your tension, and bam, there you go. Pretty awesome. All right, the moment of truth. Let's roll it back now. This sheet lock into the. Sometimes you have to get out of the truck and kind of push it down the channel. It's uncommon. See here what's going on here. There you go. Looky there. Not too shabby, right? Let's see if it can lock down all the channels here. Sometimes it doesn't. You just have to punch it down a little bit. Okay, good. Very good. Hopefully we got it all right. I think we did. Awesome. All right, I think we are done with the roll back, the roll up tonneau cover. Let's see how it looks. Hey, how about that, huh? Awesome. I think it looks really good. I think it looks awesome. Good job, Ford, with buddying up with a company who knows how to do it right. See that little Ford logo? Pretty cool, isn't it? I think this is Backflip's product, but I could be wrong. Sure, somebody else may know better than me. But hey, another Tremor day, another Tremor project, and we'll continue on with more adventures.